The Faculty of Pharmacy and Pharmaceutical Sciences, here we have a slightly different teaching approach.
This is about the acute injury, okay?
My title is Director of Learning and Teaching, not Director of Teaching and Learning. We've got to focus on student learning, so we put learning up front, centre, so that's what we've got to concentrate on. Teaching supports it.
I'm one of the lecturers here in pharmacy, and I teach most of the professional practice units in the first 2 years of the new program. Monash is leading the way in education, and I wanted to be a part of that. So I've come all the way from Malaysia to be part of this innovative team here at Monash.
Traditional universities rely on lots of lectures and then a few smaller number of tutorials or workshops afterwards. We've changed that model, so content that would normally be delivered by someone standing at the front of a lecture theatre talking to students for 50 minutes, that type of content is now delivered online. And then when they come to a large class, they're interactive. So students are doing things, they're solving problems, they're answering questions, they're giving each other feedback. And that's still in a 200-seat lecture theatre.
So in your bladder, in your gastrointestinal tract.
We have our workshop rooms all linked together. We've got a lead academic that roves through all the workshop rooms, so they're connected.
Hopefully that'll provide to you really good feedback in this class.
So he can go through, or she can go through, and answer any questions that perhaps the teaching associate can't answer. We've got one teaching associate per 20 to 25 students. They're helping them solve the problems, they're encouraging them on delving into the science further.
It's a really good opportunity because all that we do is we go and ask questions or practice exam scenarios. So it's a different way of learning just because you can really picture yourself in those scenarios.
So what did you guys identify as your first problem for this scenario?
One of the design features that's unique to our program is skills coaching. So skills coaching is whereby an academic staff or a practitioner will coach a group of students. We focus a lot around skills. There are specific skills that we do focus on, which is problem-solving skills, good oral communication, written communication.
Was there anything else?
Rating the pain.
Rating the pain.
Part of the skills coaching feature, our students have a personalized learning plan. So they submit what we call a personalized learning plan prior to coming for the skills meeting. And it's a reflection of a particular skill that they've come across or be able to practice in the past couple of weeks. Students head out for placements fairly early on in the program, and we want to ensure that they are well skilled and competent when they come across patients. So we've introduced micro-credentialing, where we will credential students, in other words, certify students to do specific tasks.
Our students in the Pharmaceutical Sciences course, in the third year they actually get posed problems that they need to solve by industry. Students form teams and they work throughout the semester to solve that problem. What we also have in the faculty are really high-class practical laboratories where students perform experiments. And that's a key part of what we want our students to do. Not only to know the knowledge, but be able to apply it in the terms of be able to do the experiments and have the lab skills that they need to be scientists.
And then you're going to change flow rate from 1.5 to 1.
This lab is a lab where the students are learning how to use an instrument called HPLC. And HPLC is the most widely used instrument basically in science in the world. And so this unit provides them an experience that is completely authentic and that is completely relevant to the industry.
Universities now are about much more than just learning the science or learning the content. Universities are responding to industry needs. Our graduates will all get jobs, and we want to make the best graduates we can, not just in terms of what they know, but in how they can use that knowledge and how they can work in a workplace.
No? So, okay, so that's fine.